Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. I really appreciate it. Today's video is going to be about my favorite snack, the parfait. You're going to start off with some honey, any honey of your choice. I like to use Greek yogurt by Oikos, plain. I know as much as you want to get that honey or that vanilla flavored, don't. It has too much sugar. Granola. I use the Love Crunch brand because it's not that much different from regular granola. It only has about 3 grams of sugar per serving. Some almonds, some sliced almonds. You know, you gotta make it look all pretty. And some fresh berries. I like to use raspberries and blueberries, but for this parfait, I'm going to be using raspberries. For me, food is better when it looks pretty, so why not make it pretty? I'm just gonna open this up here. I like to scoop up 2/3 cup of Greek yogurt, and I like to stir it inside of the measuring cup, only because I don't want to stir my whole entire yogurt. I'm not ready to eat it yet, so I like to stir it like this. And then you will plop it on into the cup. Now I like to spoon it this way so that the cup stays clean, it's pretty. And then you're gonna add your granola. I like to do 3 scoops of granola. And then we're gonna add a small handful of berries on top of that. Like I said, I like to make my food look pretty so that I actually eat it. And plus it makes me feel a little fancy. Like, hey, I just bought this, and we will never waste stuff that we buy, right? Go ahead and top that off with some of your favorite honey, just a drizzle, And then right on top of that honey, you can put those sliced almonds I was talking about earlier, and then you are done. You can have this as a morning snack, lunch, midnight snack, whatever you want, but this is perfect. It's not too high in sugars, it's not too high in fats. You're getting your probiotic, you're getting your protein, and it's ready to eat, and you're ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys from my heart to yours. Mwah.